Hi. So it's Catherine, and you can always tell Lynn. I just woke up and bigla akong naisip, I always want to do something. Crochet, sew, or journal. Sabi ko, magastos, it consumes time. Then I came across this TikTok video and it is called Chunk Journal. Tapos nag-browse ako kagabi ng Shopee. Tapos sabi ko, gusto ko mag-chunk journal, gusto ko bumili ng gamit, gusto ko bumili ng notebook. Pero nabili ko na siya ng Shopee ko ng mga ibang pangangailangan ko. So sige, ayoko tayo. Sabi ko, sayang. Sige, wag na lang. Parang next time na lang kasi wala na akong pabili ng notebook. It's like 45 pesos. Wala na guys. Kasi nabili ko na siya ng pang Shopee. So sabi, habang naglilinis ako kanina, I came across this little notebook. I have this one in bigger size. Wait, I'll go get it. This one. It's from my uncle. It's my notebook. It's luma na siya. See this? See that? Sabi ko, gusto kong mag-junk journal. Ganito yung notebook nila. So sabi ko, bumili ka. So walang free shipping pag less than 100. So nakita ko to. Sabi ko, I'll start small na lang. Sabi ko, sayang. Ang tagal ko na tong binili. Years na siya. Hindi ko na maalala. Basta years na tinawin, dumi na nga. See that? Years na siya. So sabi ko, ito na lang yung gagawin ko junk journal. Start small muna. Then, I have this. Tagal na nito guys. Ako lang nabili yan. And then I have bunch of ball pens because I love collecting ball pens. So as notebooks, I have bunch of notebooks. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. They serve different purposes. But sometimes they mix up, sulat. I'll put it away na lang into other notebooks. This is pricey, pero ang sabi, think positively and positive things will happen. I love it. That's why I bought this. So, wala na pagkain pa uwi. So, I'll start journaling na. Then, think ko time-lapse ko na lang. Ililista ko muna kung anong kailangan ko, pages, gano'n. Kasi wala pa rin akong picture. I'll jot it down. Say hi to my baby. To my baby. Dress. Hi. Say hi. Yes, baby. Where's the baby? This is Luna. Oh, you're so busog. Luna. Mawala si Sol. Sol or Sol. Whatever. That's my baby. Then I just woke up kanina. Tapos sabi ko, I came across this post kasi sabi niya, you have to build 3 hobbies for yourself. The one that makes you money, the one that makes you study ata, and the one that makes you healthy. Something like that. Hobby. Hobby. Magastos. So, nagsip ako ng kung anong mura, kung anong affordable, kung anong meron na. So, chunk journal. The one that makes me healthy. Exercise, but I'm so tamad to do that. And I think na kapag nag-journal ako, ubus yung energy ko para mag-aral. UK, do you know why this is called, this notebook is UK? This is not from UK, it's from ukay. Charot! UK kasi this is my dream place to visit and to work. Why? Because pounds, baby, pounds. Okay, mag-ano muna ako. Search. And then I'll be right back, guys. So, see you later. I just finished watching. Sa TikTok ako nag-watch. You know the TikToker Shay? Shay, or basta C-H-E-Y ang spelling, and she's one of my inspiration in doing it. Chunk Chorna. And then marami ako napanood na videos. They start big notebooks, but I only have this, so I felt a little insecure, like magagawa ko ba to? But I told myself na start small kasi wala akong pera, so start small. So I need to do is sa front, gusto ko i-design to ng a little bit of butterfly, and then nursing stuff or nursing stickers, something like this. I bought this sa binigay ito ng president namin ng Christmas. Then sa first page, I need to print a picture of myself. Tingin ko yung good picture ko na lang instead of, kasi sabi niya yung picture na nag-start daw ako mag-journal. So I think today, but I don't know, walang dito. And then letter to my future self. I also thinking about like goals in 2025. I think I'm going to write it down also. And then that's it. Should we start? Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung process kasi walang tripod. I think I'll videoan ko yung iba, pero let's see what I can do. Let's start. Halos pala ako ng hapon. No, we can do this. We can do this. Let's start this. I made a mistake. So, remember, ito yung madami. Hindi ko na siya nilinis. Tapos, yung may dinikit ako dito isang page. Sabi ko, dikit ko na lang kasi pinunita ko yung page na sumunod dito. So, para malinaw siya, didikit ko na lang to. Tapos yun, ito yung first page, ito yung mukha ko. And then, I just remember na dikit ko na siya. But, this is supposed to be on second page. I can't tear it off. I used double-sided tape. Sayang. But then again, I told myself, nagawan ko na lang paraan. And these stickers, I don't know, anong size ba ng to? Picture, ko alam. Gawa ko paraan. Sana magawang paraan. Right back. So, halfway finish. This is the first page. I made a second page. White lang pa rin. Siyang. Third page. Tagal na nito sa akin. Nakalimutan ko na sino nagbigay. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero ang tagal niya na sa akin. This. Kinda like this one. It's from M. I need to print my pictures. I found pictures from before. Yun yung doon to galing, itong maliit na to. Tagal na yan. Shoutout kay Besico. Found bunch of pictures of me when I was grade 11. Sexy pa. Grade 11. Grade 11. So, kakain lang ako ng lunch, and then I think we'll continue this next time because after lunch I have to clean up. I have lots of kalat, and then after I clean up I don't know. I'll think about it. What are we gonna do? So, let's go.